Okay, this is day 9, guided practice, page number 3. We're going to skip number 9. You can do that with your group. Number 10, the graph shows the relationship between the number of tickets sold at a football game and the amount of money made. Which is closest to the amount that you would need to be sold to make $910? Okay, so we need to come up with an equation for this. If you look, this looks pretty linear. 70 divided by 10, 140 divided by 20, 210 divided by 30, 280 divided by 40. Those are all going to give us the same slope. All right, so let's just write an equation here. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, y equals m is slope. So let's think about the slope. We go up 70 over 10, 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 up 70 over 10. Okay, so up 70 over 10, that's going to be our slope. You simplify that, that will give you 70 divided by 10 is just 7. So 7x. And then plus our y-intercept. If we were to draw this line, is going to go through 0, 0, because if we sell 0 football tickets, we'll have $0. All right, so 7x plus 0, or just 7x. That's going to be good enough for us. All right, so y equals 7x or 7x plus 0. Either one's going to give the same line. All right, so there's our line. We want to find out which is closest to the amount that would need to be sold to make $910. Okay, so a couple different things we can do here. We can plug it in using f of x. So I could change f of x to 7x, and we could just plug it in. F of 400. Okay, so if we sold 400 tickets, we will get $2,800, meaning 910. If we sell 120 tickets, that's $840. If we sell 130 tickets, that's $910, which is what we want. And if we sold 420 tickets, then that would be a lot of money, a lot more than what we need. Okay, so the answer was 130 to make $910. Okay, I'm going to reiterate that these two pages, pages 3 and 4, are not necessarily direct and inverse variation, and you can do all of these a lot of different ways. So just because we do it one way on the video does not mean that you cannot also do it another way by yourself. Okay, so lots of different ways to do pages 3 and 4. Okay, number 11. The table below shows the relation between the number of students in math classes and the predicted number of students in each class passing a test. Using the data shown above, which equation could be used to predict the number of students passing a test? Okay, so we have a table here with a bunch of points, and we want to match the equation with the table. So the easiest thing to do would be to create that table. All right, so if you want to create this with me on your computer, 18, 15, 24, 18, 26, 19, 30, and 21. Okay, here are the points. And we want to see which of these lines best fit these 4 points. So I'm going to type in each of them. Y equals 1/4 x plus 5. Okay, there's one line. Y equals 1/3 x plus 7. There's another. Y equals 1/3 x plus 9. And y equals 1/2 x plus 6. And I'm going to change this one to get us a different color. All right, so which of these lines goes through the points the best? Probably the purple line. All right, so our answer here is going to be, the orange line. Our answer here is going to be D, 1/2 m plus 6. Okay, again, this is only one way to do it. There are lots of other ways to solve this problem. So if you got this answer through a different method, then that is okay as well. Okay, and then lastly, you're going to try number 12 with a group. but you need to pay attention because I'm going to give you a big hint. Remember, you need to type in your table with all of your x and y values. And then once you do that, you need to type in this equation, y1 tilde ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c. You need to type that in. And if you have your table and this equation, it will give you a linear or a quadratic regression. That should be one of these two. Okay, so you're going to have to pick which of the tables matches which of the equations. So go ahead and try that one. That one might take you a little time. Just be patient, plug it in, and see which one matches.